Ready?
You're smelling your butt? Bro, you good? This guy got caught on 4K, bro, smelling his butt. Dude. You're live, bro. What do you mean? You gotta be ready at all times. This guy got caught on 4K, bro. Anyways, tell me what we're gonna do, bro. Talk to the camera there real quick.
We're gonna put a back seat on this thing so we can ride on it.
We can ride on it.
And some new mirrors so the mirrors go down instead of up.
Nah, what kind of thing is that? The mirrors, we're taking these mirrors off right here, and we're putting the mirrors right here on the handlebar, and then they're gonna be face down. Those outlaws that you see on TV. That's how it's gonna look. But anyway, everything still looks the same in the shop. Elliot, special guest Elliot, because we don't even see him anymore ever. There's his bike, looking like a loser as always. All right, show him the mirrors.
Look at these mirrors, and it goes like just like this. How do we put it on? Just like this.
No, put it on this side so you can see it. Well, I guess you need to get the other mirror.
Where's the other one?
Just like that. Look at this. Oh my God, dude.
What if you just keep that on and use 2 mirrors? Then you have double eyesight.
Why didn't you tell me? Oh, damn, we should keep all 4 mirrors. It's a great idea. Bro, why didn't you tell me I look this sexy? Look how sexy I look.
You see from all angles.
Dude, what the hell? Anyways, we're going to put these mirrors on. These mirrors, they're built pretty good. Got them off of Amazon. Because, why not? Can you tell they're Amazon? Or can you tell they're the real Indian ones? Look at this. Money, look at that. Oh, here, you can put that over there.
Oh, you got the back thing?
This is the back seat thingy. So the back seat, I didn't realize how little this was. This is little, but it's nothing. It's better than it's gonna go right here.
I see it don't fall off.
It's gonna go somewhere right here, like this, and then the seat. Yeah, it's gonna go like this.
Boom! Look at that.
It gives you a nice cushion. Show the camera what it looks like, the quality. This is all Amazon stuff right here. You can show them that one.
Look at this thing. Even though it's so tiny, it's soft. Where?
Yeah, it's pretty good quality though.
Yeah, look at that.
It'll be like that.
This bike is about to look money.
Let me see. Compared to the seat that's on there now, let me see. Put it right next to each other. They kind of same.
This is darker.
I was gonna go with like a brown because I wanted to change
Right
the
here?
seat to a brown color, but we'll do that eventually. But that's how it's gonna look.
It shouldn't look. That don't look too bad.
It's gonna go into.
Hold on, let me see. It looks kind of low profile. Oh, we got another special guest. Look at the special guest, bro. This dude freaking grabbed his butt and smelled it, bro. And we caught it right on time on the camera.
I wasn't ready for that.
Brother, man.
It caught me off guard.
Straight cooked is not even the answer. I gotta fix this camera. How do we fix this camera? It's all good. People know. There's. All right, here we go. That's a better camera. Anyways, there's people that
Handlebar too?
No, I didn't get handlebars. Where this came in handlebars?
I don't know. It just looked like that. I wasn't. That's the leg.
Yeah, those are the pegs that we gotta put on. All right, well, stop taking everything apart because we need to know where things go. These are the pegs. I don't know which one goes where. Does it have any instructions? No, right?
I mean, it would have to like look right. I think that goes on the other side.
Well, for starters, I farted.
And I smell it. All right.
That's all good.
Go in front of his.
Where's that little chair?
That little chair is over.
I already lost it.
You took everything apart, brother. I don't know where everything's at. Why'd you
Right
take?
here.
Hold on, you took everything out of the box.
Guys, these guys are straight.
Yeah, we do.
No, I can see you. I can see everything.
I know, but I still. I think we need to move this. Move the bike back, Elliot. Put it more towards the middle. Be careful, don't drop it, man. You're gonna drop it on 4K.
Right, dark horse.
Don't drop it on 4K. Oh my God! Look at how close it's getting, dude. All right, come this way. This way. Oh, that's good. Whoa, whoa, that way now. Go back some. So
Oh
we can be
yeah,
in the middle.
we're cooked.
Yeah, let me something.
VIP chair.
A VIP chair, bro. All right.
This.
I think we need.
This one's for the seat.
Do they have it?
Yeah, it has the thing in there. That's for the seat.
Yeah, but how does that go? Does this gonna fit this? Nope.
That's for this.
Why would that be for the
That's
seat?
for this one.
Well, how is that gonna go?
Want me to unscrew it?
Does it come with any instructions? Let me see.
Does it have a screw on the bottom?
Get instructions from Amazon.
Okay, no, don't.
Yeah, we have to take these off,
Yeah.
and then we put these
Yeah,
on.
I know.
Wait, but what is that for?
That's for
Whoa,
this.
hold on.
The
Yeah,
middle.
that's we need to take this off because there's some bikes that don't have that. Don't take that off.
That's right there.
I don't think we need to take that off.
I don't think we do.
Unless that seat. Let me see where this goes. Because this has 4. Where is the bracket for this? That goes on this, right? Yeah, that goes to this. That's why this is there
Yeah,
for.
so look, the 4's right here for that.
Okay, so let's put this on.
Do they even give us the right
No, I have that. Help a brother out. Hold this. Yeah, hold that right there on it. Yeah, hold that under. I guess that goes like that, and then we can use these. These right here, look.
boom and the
But that's not gonna work with the spacers. Let's take the spacers off. Put these one by itself like that. Just because they want us to use other things, but grab this and grab this. And where's that little? Ethan, tighten that up with the Allen key.
what?
Something about his butt. Let me see.
Now you got the
I'm struggling.
and the dark horse.
Right here, look.
So we don't need to take this off. Well,
No, we don't need to take that off, I don't think.
Okay.
And then we just need to take these. Those spacers might have to be for that. I don't know.
Let's see here.
Yeah, I need it, bro. That's why I need a cameraman. Why are you sweating so hard? Because of the humid.
Yeah, you're sweating too.
Yeah, but not all over my face.
Because
Oh, I got it.
Hold on, because everybody's in the way where you're not even be able to see. Look, you guys need to be cognizant.
Looks like an egg
Egg drop soup.
junk.
Look, it looks a lot better already without it on there.
What if you just
no
do
Evan.
mirrors, no problem.
instead of like this?
No,
we do
dude, it has to be like
backwards?
this. We need to take this off though. Look. So we need to find the one that goes here too.
Is it that size or
Oh,
no
grab
different? We got a bunch of Allen keys right here, but I don't think it's
That's
the
not
right
the
size.
fit. Wait, hold on. You're not doing it right.
Just one size smaller than this one.
What side? Smaller than what?
This Allen key right here, one size smaller.
What happened to all my Allen keys?
Put them in right here.
Is it inside your van?
Oh, I got Allen keys right here. Look, I found it right here. That's got to be it. Nope. That's baby girl status.
No, here's the other camera.
That doesn't even go there either. I used to have so many Allen keys.
Guys, I'm just too good.
Let me see.
This.
Oh, can you get it loose? See? Watch out.
Oh, it's not the other way?
Let me see. Oh, no, stop. You're stripping it. That's it.
It's already moved.
Yeah, this will never fit in here, dude. Come on.
That one fits.
That doesn't fit. It's too small, bro. That's why you should let me do it first.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the garage. There should be some.
Look, right here. Look, and that's turning it the wrong way. We have to go there. Oh, maybe this way. God dang. There's not a chance this is that hard.
Is it softer now?
Here, grab that. All right, let me see the mirror that goes on this side and see. Because I think we could use the same things. Oh my God. Oh, they put Loctite in here.
So when we put this in there, so we just
Let me
have to
see.
like. I have this one. It's this one.
Take this thing off. Look, take this thing off. Oh, why does it look like that? I don't like that. Can we take that off?
I think so. Let's check again.
Let me see that real quick. We can take that off. So take these mirror. So take these things that come. It comes with like we can take the sleeve off. I think we could use the stock one. Here, let me see the one that we took off.
No, right here.
The screw that we took off of here.
What?
Bro, come on, dude. It should be on it. Remember? Right here. Here, hold that. We're gonna use this. This looks better. And let me see that. Oh wait, now we can use this right here. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna have to use the one that comes. So I have to use that screw. Let me see that screw. This screw is super long. I don't know if it'll go all the way in there, but let's see.
I think it's supposed to go like
All right, well, this
that.
one fits in there, so let's try that. Like this. It's just super long. So I don't know if it'll work. Let's see. I think it'll work. It's just that's gonna work nice. Look. All right. And then we just have to adjust the height. So we'll leave it.
Better than the other one.
We'll leave it kind of loose for now, just to make the adjustment. All right, let's go to this.
All
one.
right, next side.
But look, I have to take this off.
Here, take this off so you don't have to.
I can't.
The
Well,
sleeve.
take this sleeve off right here. Oh, this is stuck in there. I'm gonna try to figure out how to take it off.
Me? I don't know.
Maybe give me a hammer. Do we have a hammer? Do we own one of those things?
We do. I think so. Hopefully.
It's somewhere in one of those drawers. What happened to this light? No, it's on. It's just, I think it's broken.
It don't work.
Either that or it came loose up
Look
there.
at the
No, I don't think it
egghead.
did. Let me see what this looks like, bro.
Yo, face the camera on us, Shotty. The dark horse
Put the tire
shows no
straight.
love.
How much better it looks?
Doesn't Captain America have like these mirrors?
No, Jonan has those mirrors. Jonan is Captain America.
I thought Jonan was John Wick.
Jonan's Captain America.
Everything.
He's John Wick. He's everything. Let me see that. Let me get that, Ethan. Ethan, dude, my back hurts, bro.
My back hurts too. I've been working out all day.
Me, I gotta finish taking it
Yo,
off.
I thought we discussed this already.
We gotta finish taking those things off.
What was that?
Bobcat.
Cameraman talks now. You ain't eating for a week.
I left it a little loose, so that way we could adjust it. Let me sit on it real quick and see. I feel like I'm gonna have to adjust it. Look, oh my god, that feels so
Oh,
much
it
better.
just cracked. I'm sitting behind you, see
So
if you
I'm
can
gonna-
see me. Right in the center.
Turn these though.
Can you see me?
Hold on. Down like that a little bit. Let's see. This has to be done. Let me tighten this up a little bit more.
It's pretty soft.
Trying to adjust these mirrors is gonna be the hard part, but that looks good right there, I think. Right there. Look at this. Ethan, hold it. So it stays right there. Hold that. Ready? Oh, they actually moved. Look at this. Even though you tighten them. So it's got a spot. Ethan, grab the camera. I'll show the camera.
What's up, cameramans?
Oh, give me that too.
Well, we're good. Where'd that cameraman go?
So even if you tighten this all the way too, I'm gonna tighten as much as I can, or as hard as I can. It's got like a little mechanism there where it still lets you adjust the mirror. Look at this. See that? So I'm still able to adjust the mirror up and down.
This line right here lets you
So
adjust it.
just make sure that it's got a little ring here that doesn't let you tighten it super tight, so that way you can still move the mirrors up and down. So that's good, and then the mirror obviously moves independently. So right now everything's on. That's what it looks like. All right, give them a view of how it looks on the bike. I know the lighting sucks right now, but look at how much better that looks. Let me see. Is it all the way out?
The next work
Go
job
on
we
this
have
side.
to do is the seat. It looks like
Go
a
to the
spider.
side. Put them on the side right here. Dude, on the side it looks freaking mint right here. Look at this.
It just needs a wash.
All right, now let's see how we do this. What else did they come in that bag? So on this,
This is for the.
we take this off right here. I just dropped something.
Look how good that is.
Think it'll work with just putting that on. Here, I'm gonna take this off, take
It
this
should
off.
be only that, because these ones are for the bed.
But yeah, those are for the pegs.
Some of these Indian bikes, they have a little strip that goes here. This bike doesn't have that. Take the fender off. So I think I'm gonna just put one side at a time, I think, and see how it goes. So I don't move the fender. So it goes just like that. I'm gonna present these bolts in there just to hold them, and then I'm gonna do the other side. That was pretty easy. And look, it lined up pretty good.
And then all we gotta do is pegs.
I gotta do this side now.
Bring the VIP chair.
Oh, that's tight. Ethan, why are you not taking this off? Why do I have to do it? Overall, not bad. It lines up pretty good. I'm not gonna put any Loctite in it because I don't know. I might want to take it off again. Who knows?
Where are we supposed to put these pegs anyway? Where's the pegs at?
It already has a little bit of Loctite on there, even though it's not fresh Loctite. You feel me? Yeah, the pegs go somewhere in there. We're gonna have to figure that part out, but at least we got this. All right, lift that up a little bit so I can put this on. Ethan, come to this side so you can see it. Lift it up some. All right, I'm in here. I'm in there,
It goes like
and I'm in here. I think.
like this.
One thing I don't like is that it sits
Yeah, it goes
on
on
the
that, and then it goes
fender.
on that side. So that
It seems like it sits on the fender here.
goes like this. So you're up, he puts it somewhere, and then Babooey, and then he's right there. And Baboo, but I don't know where he's supposed to put it.
I think it goes over here somewhere. Look it up real quick,
It goes like,
because I don't even know if I can tighten this.
probably goes like right here.
I think
No, it
it's
doesn't.
this one right here.
Let me see
This
which one.
empty one.
I don't know why they're both the same. This one definitely goes on this side, because it can't go on that side. The foot pegs. Where do you guys go?
The same one.
Where does the foot pegs go? This is the problem right here. I think on this one we have to take this cover.
It goes where that is.
It
But
goes right here. Yes, right here. It goes right
Oh, maybe I don't. Let me see that one. Oh, it goes like
It goes
this.
up like that, yeah.
Oh, right. So I don't have to take the cover
Hey,
off. Oh,
cameraman,
that's
get
good.
out the camera.
Let me see that one. That side. Because I think that side goes over here.
No,
Because
this
this side.
goes over here because it's flat. No reason. See?
Let me see.
That can't go in
You're
there
right.
with it.
You're probably right. This one goes here. Look right here. Where's the bolts? Try to put the bolts
No,
through.
where are the bolts?
All right, so I can tighten this then.
Yeah.
Let's tighten this.
Want me to tighten the other side?
Here, you can tighten all of them. Here, just let me know when you get close.
Tighten it.
So far, initial assessment,
ugly.
the Amazon kit fit damn near pretty good. The only thing that I would say is I'm gonna have to look at is probably gonna be right here where the seat itself
You know.
rides on the fender, I think.
I don't know.
But I can see daylight through it, right? Can you see daylight?
Yeah.
So maybe it doesn't. So I'll show you here in a minute. I'll show you here in a minute.
It's right here. Ethan, let me see that real quick.
Hold on, let him finish tightening it. Let's finish one thing at a time here.
This thing about to look mean. I don't like how it goes like that.
Oh yeah, it has to go like that because then you can flip it down. I like the way, and Jordan has that little sticker on there. Yeah. The next thing I'm gonna get is gonna be the license plate.
On the other side.
Ethan. Somebody's gonna have to take that from Ethan and make sure that's tight, because Ethan's kind of weak, bro. I don't know.
He's gonna strip the bolt.
Nah, he wants to rip the bolt. Just make it sure it's tight. Oh, you took it off, bro. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Are you
He
okay?
doesn't know his lefts and rights.
Kind of thinking about it. Kind of the material does feel. I don't know. It's kind of cheap. It feels kind of cheap, but I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. So the seat feel comfortable, but it matches the stock seat pretty good, I think. So he's tightening this up right here. Bro, just wait one thing at a time. Let's finish this right here. Dude, it is hot in here, bro. Bro, you got in closing?
It works.
What pools did you use today, bro?
You did 4. You made mom do 4.
Nah, I didn't make her do anything. I can't make your mom do things. What's wrong with you?
Do 4 pulls.
She's got to get to work.
She has her own word.
Let me see the mirrors again. Look at the mirrors, bro. The mirrors look mint. Better than having that thing sticking up from the top. Then what are we looking like, bro? We already got a 22-minute video.
Because we're cooked.
I think it's more than we're cooked. We got a 22-minute video because it's taking forever. Right here. So far, the first peg goes right there. Show them where the first peg goes, which is pretty easy. If you look at it right there, see it? It's got a spot for it, and it fit there perfect. Once it gets that tight, I'll come back to that. Pretty good. It looks like it's about to storm. Let's take you out there real quick. It's about to storm, baby. Look at that. It's Florida. It's gonna rain.
I think it's still time to go take it for a ride,
yeah,
right?
You guys didn't see we got the little decal made for the back of the truck. Looks mint.
It's only going to be cloudy and thunder, so I think we can go on a ride.
Nah, I don't know, man.
Trust the...
It's like it's gonna rain. You listen to the weather bug?
No.
It's only 25%, and it never rains when it's like
Dude, come on. This guy listens to the weather bug.
So we can go on a ride.
Weather guy.
What's taking so long here?
Are we even ready? We can ride it to John Wick's house and back.
We can ride it.
No, I don't think we can ride it. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Let me see. See if your mom's out there so she can come and try it and see what it feels like. I'll see if she's in the shower. Ethan, don't press this too much because I don't know. It was cheap. But we ain't going to talk about that.
Try to see if it's worthy.
Technically, you're supposed to be able to hold on to that, but I don't think you can hold on to anything. We got to see how it fits. Once Elliot takes forever, golly, bro. Just putting 2 bolts in. Look how long it takes. You want to see how he's struggling? Look at the struggle.
Years later.
Look at the struggle, bro. That way you can see his face and everything. Look at his face. Bro, look at that. This dude is struggling, dude.
It's pretty stable.
There's a struggle. Why is he struggling so hard?
This is Elliot.
Are you stripping it? Because it feels like you're stripping it. Did I need to get in there?
Stripping the bolt.
It's getting tightened.
Take it.
No, let me see before you start destroying everything. Does it feel tight? All right, Ethan, you start first because you're lighter. No, you gotta wait until I get in there, and then you get on. Hold on. All right, you ready? Get on. How's it feel?
That's money.
You can't hold on to there. You gotta hold on to my stomach.
I know.
That's not gay. I'm his dad, bro. What is this? We're gonna hold it on. Drop it. Just hold on. Does it feel? Does the backrest feel like it's doing good?
But his back's crooked, bro.
You know that's
Yeah,
crooked?
hold
Hold on.
How is his back crooked? Hold on, let me see.
Am I heavy for you?
No.
We're here in the dark horse. We're cooked. I'm holding that.
Ethan, try to stay straight on the bike. Oh, I just hit that mirror. Accelerator's tight. Bring me the thing to loosen the accelerator. Hold on, the accelerator's super tight. All right, so that's one thing that you guys need to watch. Is if you tighten that too hard, the throttle gets stuck right now.
No.
See phone that we're using. Come on, bro.
You're a copper.
Elliot doesn't know anything about bikes.
Bro, come on, dude. You're the last person to have it. Let me see, bro. That don't even look right. Why do you walk like that, too? You take forever.
It's the shorter one.
Bro.
Bro, y'all are so
Oh, my
You're
God,
cooked,
dude. This is freaking retarded.
Bro, this guy's cooked. It's right here.
Let me see.
That was definitely Evan's fault.
All right, so we probably need that spacer thing to go there.
Yeah.
But we'll try it anyways. Hold on to that.
What if it gets stuck?
Hold on.
When I go with you,
When I turn like that, you got to stay with my body. In sync. The only thing that I don't like is that I need the spacer on that side. That's what I think I need.